everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make these delicious turkey wings. So let's get started. Here are the turkey wings that I'm going to use. I'm going to be soaking them with some vinegar for a few minutes. Then I will wash them out of the water, put them in my filter for all the water to drop out. Here is my washed turkey wings. I'll be adding some onions, garlic, ginger, white pepper, thyme, rosemary, Maggi cubes, salt. I'm going to stir everything together so that all the ingredients will mix together with the turkey wings. Then I'll cover it without adding any water. For the ingredients that I use for this recipe, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. Here are all the vegetables that I'm going to use. I'll be using some green pepper, green bell peppers, some scotch bonnet, spring onions, ginger, garlic, and some onions. I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together, but I don't want them to be too smooth. I'm just going to use my food processor. So as you can see, the turkey, I've been cooking it for the past 10 minutes without adding any water. That adds more taste to the turkey wings. So now I'll stir everything together properly. Then I'll add water to the level of the turkey because I'm going to use the stock from the turkey to make jollof rice. I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook for another 7 minutes. The turkey is ready, guys. I'm going to grill this turkey in my oven. That is why I just cooked the turkey for about 17 minutes because I don't want the turkey to be too soft. As you can see, I'm going to put it in my oven. I will set my oven to 180 degrees until the turkey is golden brown. So guys, here are the turkey wings is ready, but you can feel free to fry your own if you wish. I'm going to be making the sauce for the turkey wings and I'll be using some vegetable oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'll add nutmeg, curry, white pepper. Then I'll add some chicken stock. I'm going to allow it to saute for just 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding the blended vegetables. I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'll allow it to cook. While it's cooking, try to stir it time to time so that your vegetable will not get burnt at the bottom. I'll add salt. Then I will stir everything together. I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then it's done. So guys, our sauce is ready. I'm going to be mixing the sauce with the turkey wings together, and I'll make sure that I stir everything together very well so that all the ingredients will penetrate very well inside the turkey. So guys, after finishing adding all the pepper sauce, stirring the turkey together, I'm just going to leave it on top of my stove for 10 minutes, but with a very low heat. Doing that will help all the pepper sauce to penetrate very well inside your turkey wings. Guys, when you are eating it, you feel that pepper taste. This recipe was really delicious. You can make it for your family, friends. It's really good, guys. Give it a try. So at the end, I'm going to sprinkle some spring onions to give it that beautiful look. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and set the notification bell to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So guys, I really appreciate, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Ciao.